Today, we'll be installing Torklift camper tie-downs, part number C3220 on a Chevrolet Silverado. These tie-downs bolt directly to your truck's frame, creating the strongest mounting option possible for your slide camper. Made in the USA with a lifetime warranty, these tie-downs are powder-coated and built to last. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe button below for any future installs. Begin by locating the rear leaf spring shackle mount on the passenger side rear of the vehicle. Remove the factory hardware, securing the bumper strap to the frame rail and rear bumper. Once the hardware is removed, take off the bumper strap, making sure to keep both the strap and the factory hardware, as they will be reinstalled later. Next, remove the two factory bolts attaching the factory hitch to the frame rail. Then remove the lower factory nut on the rear leaf spring shackle mount. Do not discard any of the factory hardware, as it will be reused. Position the mounting plate against the frame rail, aligning it with the factory holes. Reinstall the two factory bolts removed earlier and hand tighten them for now. Align the passenger side receiver with the mounting plate and the rear leaf spring shackle mount. Reinstall the factory nut onto the rear leaf spring shackle mount. Insert a 1/2 inch by 1 1/2 inch bolt through each hole in the passenger side receiver and through the mounting plate. Secure each bolt with one flat washer, one lock washer, and one nut, then hand tighten the hardware. Reinstall the bumper strap using the original factory hardware. Torque all 1/2 inch hardware to 75 foot-pounds. Torque the hardware on the bumper side of the bumper strap to 20 foot-pounds. Torque the remaining factory hardware to 90 foot-pounds. To complete the installation, repeat this entire process on the driver's side of the vehicle. The installation of your Torklift C3220 rear tie-downs is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.